That is absolutely astounding.
Award ceremony of the 2025
What a welcome.
UCI Road World Championships Men Elite Road Race. Cérémonie protocolaire des championnats du monde route UCI 2025, course en ligne homme élite.
Hagiye guhembwa abatsinze muri shampiyona y'isi y'amagare mu 2025 mu bagabo Men Elite Road Race.
The bronze medal will be presented by Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. La médaille de bronze sera remise par Monsieur David Lapartien, président de l'UCI.
Umudali wa bronze ugiye gutangwa na president wa UCI Bwana David Lapartien.
In third place and winner of the bronze medal, representing Ireland. À la troisième place et vainqueur de la médaille de bronze, représentant l'Irlande.
Umudali wa bronze ugiye kwegukanwa n'umukinnyi ukinira Ireland,
Ben Healy.
It's a rock star atmosphere here, and Ben Healy is part of it. He's taken a bronze medal for Ireland. That is magnificent.
The silver medal will be presented by His Serene Highness, Prince Albert II of Monaco. La médaille d'argent sera remise par Son Altesse Sérénissime, le Prince Albert II de Monaco.
Umwanya wa kabiri n'umudali wa feza biratangwa na n'igikomangoma Albert wa kabiri wa Monaco.
In second place and winner of the silver medal, representing Belgium. À la deuxième place et vainqueur de la médaille d'argent, en représentant la Belgique.
Ku mwanya wa kabiri n'umudali wa feza yegukanywe n'umukinnyi ukinira BiliGi,
Remco Evenepoel.
He is, of course, also a champion, having won the time trial. And I think he will contemplate this ultimately and realise what an achievement it is. No shame in runners-up, especially the manner of which he took silver. That was an amazing ride.
The rainbow jersey and gold medal will be presented by His Excellency Paul Kagame, President of the Republic of Rwanda, and Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. Le maillot arc-en-ciel et la médaille d'or seront remises par Monsieur Son Excellence Paul Kagame, Président de la République du Rwanda, et de David Lapartien, Président de l'UCI.
umwambaro w'uwatsinze n'umudali wa zahabu biratangwa na nyakubahwa perezida wa Repubulika y'u Rwanda His Excellency Paul Kagame na perezida wa UCI Bwana David Lapartien.
In first place, UCI World Champion and winner of the gold medal, representing Slovenia. À la première place, champion du monde UCI et gagnant de la médaille d'or, représentant la Slovénie.
Shampiyona y'isi yo gusiganwa ku magare n'umudali wa zahabu yegukanywe n'umukinnyi ukinira Slovenia,
Tadej Pogačar.
What an amazing champion, and what an amazing atmosphere as well. It's almost hard to quantify just what a brilliant scenario has been created here. And what a great way to win it as well. Tadej Pogačar, heroic status here to so many in this amazing day after an amazing week of racing at these World Championships here in Rwanda.
The Tissot watch will be presented by Monsieur David Lapartien, UCI President. La montre Tissot sera présentée par Monsieur David Lapartien, président de l'UCI.
impano y'isaha ikorwa n'uruganda Tissot igiye gutangwa na Bwana David Lapartien, akaba ari umukuru wa UCI.
Ladies and gentlemen, in honor of our new UCI World Champion, we present the national anthem of Slovenia. Mesdames et messieurs, En l'honneur de notre nouveau champion du monde, UCI, nous vous présentons l'hymne national de la Slovénie.
mudufasha nanone gushimira uwegukanye shampiyona y'isi y'amagare mu gukomeza kumuha icyubahiro. Twese duhaguruke mu gihe yaririmbwa indirimbo yubahiriza igihugu cye cya Slovenia.
Ladies and gentlemen, please one more time your applause for our medalists. Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez applaudir une dernière fois nos médaillés.
Murakoze cyane, twongere dushimira abegukanye imidari muri irushanwa mu byiciro bitandukanye ari bo
Gold medalist and world champion Tadej Pogacar. Silver medalist and médaillé d'argent Remco Evenepoel. And bronze medalist and médaillé bronze Ben Healy.
Brian, have you ever experienced an atmosphere like it? It's like a rock concert, for goodness sake.
Well, these are rock stars, so yes, maybe not in cycling, but certainly at a rock concert. But yeah, look, everybody's deserved their medal today. I know there might be some disappointment, especially from Remco, but I think when he looks back at it, he'll be happy.
I am certain of it. We most certainly are. Well, we'll be hearing from Tadej Pogacar as he is interviewed as world champion in just a few moments' time. He's surely going to have to bite the medal again. No gold teeth, but plenty of gold medals, and indeed our appreciation as well.